My name's Kate Evans. I'm an ex-student at Ysgol Go, so I'm fluently Welsh speaking. I've had a high interest in sport my whole life. I've competed for Wales in life-saving, which has got me 2 Welsh caps and secured me a job with the RNLI, working around the beaches around Gower. I've also been a member of the county netball team. I've chosen to study quantity surveying at the university. It's a very dynamic industry, which means I'll constantly be working on different projects, constantly seeing new things being developed, which I really like. It's there's not many girls in this industry, which I'm not quite sure why, and I'd like to change that. This course is unique for me because you're constantly working in a live environment. You're moving from one project to another. You're not always stuck in a classroom, which is what I love. Through my first contact with the university, I've managed to secure myself a job with Kia, who are a highly successful construction company and who actually built the new university campus. So with them, I'll be working part-time. I'll be studying part-time and then working the rest of the week as a quantity surveyor.